One video, 19 million views. Another one, 16 million, 15 million, 14 million. Scroll down and it just keeps going, video after video, all in the millions. Right now they're sitting at 200,000 subscribers off 219 videos, and creators running this exact format are reportedly pulling in an estimated $40,000 a month. Here's the crazy part. Every single one of these is a simple 2D animation style short. Footballers, celebrities, what-if matchups. That's it. And it's not just them. There's a second channel doing the same thing. 14,000 subscribers, top video at 2.1 million views, proving this isn't a fluke. This is a niche that's blowing up right now because of the World Cup, but it's evergreen. These videos keep racking up views long after the tournament ends. Now here's what matters. Everything you just saw on your screen, I made it with 100% free AI. No paid tools, nothing. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact free workflow, the script, the visuals, the animation, all of it, so you can build your own version of this. Step is the one that actually decides whether you hit 300 views or 3 million. All right, step 1. Before we touch any AI tool, you need the prompts. Because here's the thing nobody tells you. The visuals are easy. The prompts are what took me forever to get right, so I've done that part for you. Open the website you see on your screen right now. Find the exact post that's showing, and if it's not popping up for you, just search the post title in the bar up top and open it from there. Once you're in, don't stop at the top. Scroll down, you're looking for one thing, a link that says prompt link. Click it, and boom, it opens straight into a Google Doc with every prompt I use, ready to copy. This is your whole foundation. Open that Google Doc and you'll see 4 prompts inside. 4, that's everything you need to build a full video, start to finish. We're starting with the first one, and this one's the Idea Machine. It's built purely for topic generation. So copy that first prompt, and listen, do not edit it, don't tweak a word. I wrote it a specific way for a reason, and changing it is exactly where people break their results. Just copy it clean. Now open Claude, that's the free AI we're using for this part, and paste the prompt straight in, hit generate, and watch what happens. In one shot, Claude hands you 10 viral topic ideas. 10, ready to go. But here's the best part. Don't love any of them? Not a single one catching your eye? Just hit generate again. One click and Claude spits out a brand new batch. You can do this as many times as you want until something jumps out at you and screams, "That's the video." And it's all free, no limits, no paywall. Pick your winner and let's take it to the next prompt, because this is where your idea turns into an actual script. Got your topic locked? Perfect. Now jump back to that same Google Doc, the one with all the prompts, and this time grab prompt number 2. Copy the whole thing, top to bottom, exactly as it is. Head back into Claude and paste prompt 2 in. Now look closely, because here's the one spot you actually do touch. Inside this prompt, there's a bracket that says paste your chosen title here. That's your cue. Take the winning topic you just picked, the one that made you go, "Yeah, that's the video," and drop it right into that bracket. That's it. That's the only edit. Hit generate, and here's where it gets good. Claude doesn't just dump text on you. First, it tells you exactly how long your video is going to run, the character count, the whole structure, so you know what you're working with before you commit. Then, boom, it writes the full script for you, start to finish. And just like that, your voiceover script is done. Now we make it look like a video. This is the visual step, and it's honestly my favorite part, because this is where it stops being words and starts becoming something people actually want to watch. Back to the Google Doc one more time. Copy prompt number 3, the whole thing, complete. Then return to Claude and paste it in. Now here's the move. This prompt asks you for one thing, the output from prompt number 2. Remember that full script Claude just wrote you. Go grab it. Copy all of it, every line, including the text, and paste it right in underneath prompt 3. That's how Claude knows exactly what your video's about. Hit generate, and watch what it does. First, Claude figures out which characters actually show up in your video, the footballers, the celebrities, whoever your story needs. Then it writes you a full character sheet prompt for each one, so your characters stay consistent in every single scene. That right there is the secret most beginners miss. It's why their videos look messy and yours won't. And right below that, Claude lays out the image prompts for your scenes, ready to copy. Your entire visual blueprint, done in one generate. So grab those prompts, we're about to turn them into actual images. Next step. Now we bring those characters to life, and for this we're using a model called GPT-Image-2, and here's why I love it. It makes the cleanest, most consistent character sheets out of anything I tested, free. That consistency is everything, because it's what keeps your characters looking the same in every scene instead of morphing into a different person each time. To use it free, no sign up, nothing. There's a Pipit AI link in the description below. Click it, log in, and you get free credits handed to you. Done. Now grab your first character sheet prompt, the one Claude wrote for you a second ago. Copy it. Inside Pipit, click into the Create box, then look for the model selector and choose GPT-Image-2. Next, find the aspect ratio button and set it to 16:9. Paste your character sheet prompt in, hit generate, and there it is, your first character sheet, ready to use. Then just repeat. Go back to Claude, copy your next character sheet prompt, paste it into Pipit, same model, same 16:9, generate. In my video, I had two. Character 1 was Ronaldo, character and other matchup. Here's the part you can't skip, download them. Hit download and save each sheet in the no watermark format. That clean, watermark-free version is what we feed into the next stage. Skip it and you'll be stuck with a logo stamped across your whole video. So get both sheets downloaded clean, and let's move on. Next step, we turn these characters into actual animated scenes. Now we use those character sheets to generate the actual images for our video. And the tool for this is Flow AI, also free. Head over to Flow and click New Project. Inside, hit the Upload Media button and upload both character sheets we just made and downloaded. This is the key move right here. By feeding Flow your character sheets first, every image it generates keeps your characters looking exactly the same. That's the consistency trick. Without it, your Ronaldo looks like a different guy in every scene. Now jump back to Claude, copy your first image prompt, the scene prompts it wrote for you earlier, and head back to Flow. Make sure your character sheet boxes are loaded in. Then paste that image prompt in. Alon. Next, click into the settings. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16, that's vertical, because we're making shorts. Pick the newest image model in the list, then hit generate. And there it is, your first scene image, done, with your character locked in perfectly. After your first image is ready, you just run the same play again. Keep those character sheets uploaded, that part never changes. Then go back to Claude, copy your next image prompt, and paste it into Flow. Double check your character sheets are still loaded in. Hit generate, and your next image pops out, and that's the rhythm. Copy a prompt, paste, generate, next one. Keep going until every single scene from your script has an image. It moves fast once you're in the flow of it, no pun intended. Once they're all generated, here's the important part. Download them one by one. Save every image to your device, in order, so nothing's missing when we assemble everything. And now we've got the whole picture. Literally, every scene of your video has a clean, consistent image, but right now it's still just stills. So in the next step, we bring it all to life. We take these images and turn them into full animation using a free AI tool. This is the part that makes it feel like a real video. Let's go. To turn those images into video, we need one more set of prompts, and that's where the last prompt comes in. Open up that Google Doc one final time and copy prompt number 4, the last one in there. Head back to Claude and paste it in. Now, same drill as before, this prompt asks you for the full output from the previous step. So copy everything Claude gave you last time, paste it in underneath, and hit generate. And here's what makes this clean. However many images you generated, Claude hands you back that exact same number of video prompts, one motion prompt per image. So every still you made now has a matching instruction telling the AI exactly how it should move and come alive. Nothing left to guess. Now, for actually generating the video, you've got two free options. Flow AI, the same one we used for images, Meta, both free, both solid, and I'm going to walk you through both, so you can pick whichever one you like better, or whichever one you've still got credits on. Let's do the Flow method first. Go back to Flow AI and start a new project. Click into Settings, and here's the switch you need to make. Where it said Image before, now you select Video. Right below that, set your frame option, lock in your aspect ratio, and pick your model from the list. Now click on Start Frame, hit Upload Media, and load in the very first image we downloaded. Then jump to Claude, copy your first video prompt, the matching one for that image, and paste it into Flow. Hit Generate, and your first clip animates to life. Now, if you'd rather use the other tool, Meta AI, just as easy. Click the plus icon, upload your first image, then grab the matching video prompt from Claude and paste it in. Hit Generate, and Mate animates that scene for you too. Alon, honestly, both work great. Pick whichever one you vibe with, or just use whichever one still has free credits left in your account. There's no wrong choice here. Now you just rinse and repeat. I generated all my images through Flow, so I take the next image, upload it, jump over to Claude, copy the next video prompt, and paste it back into Flow. Leave your settings exactly as they are, don't touch them, and hit Generate. Out comes your next clip. And that's the loop. Next image, next prompt, generate. Keep going until every single image you made is now a moving clip. Don't rush it. This is the part that turns a pile of still images into an actual video. Once they're all done, our entire video is basically generated, scene by scene. Now look just above each clip. You'll see 3 dots. Click those, then hit download. Go through and download every clip you generated, one by one, so you've got the whole set saved on your device. So get all your clips downloaded, and we're almost there. Alright, our video's animated, but it's still silent. We never made the voiceover. Let's fix that now. First, go back to Claude and find your script, the full one it wrote you back in step 2. Copy the whole thing. For the voiceover, we're using 11 Labs. The link's in the description below. It's free to start. Just sign up and log in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main interface. Look for the text-to-speech option. Click it and paste your entire script into the box. Now here's the fun part. On the right side, you'll see a whole list of voices. Loads of them. You can preview and generate any one you like until you find the voice that fits your channel's vibe. Deep and dramatic, calm and clean, whatever matches your style. Generate it, give it a listen, and when you've got the one, download it. Last big step, editing. And for this we're using CapCut, which is free. Open CapCut, hit import, and bring in everything. Your voiceover and all your clips. Now, order matters here. Drop your voiceover onto the timeline first. That's your backbone, the spine of the whole video. Then layer your clips on top in order. First clip, second, third, all the way through, matching each scene to what the voiceover is talking about. Quick fix you'll probably need: if a clip's own audio is too loud and fighting your voiceover, just select it, find the volume option on the right, and turn it down. Do that for any clip that needs it. Then nudge each clip so it lines up clean with the narration. This syncing is what makes it feel professional instead of thrown together. Once it's all adjusted, add your transitions. Click the transitions section and drop a transition between each clip. For this kind of content, those punchy, sporty transitions work great, so add them one by one between your scenes. Want to go further? Throw on a few effects to give it that extra polish. Totally up to you. And when the whole thing's looking right, hit export. CapCut renders it out and saves the finished video straight to your device. And that's it. You've got a complete, finished video.
First, take a look at these channels. Some of them gained an incredible number of subscribers with only a few videos. In fact, there are thousands of channels on YouTube that go viral almost overnight using a few smart strategies and get monetized quickly without any major issues. So, what mistakes are you making that they aren't? What are you doing wrong in your video uploads, posting schedule, content strategy, or other areas that causes your videos to get low views and prevents the algorithm from pushing them further?